In this step, I will demonstrate how to use the Reports and Tools tab on the LTO Planner. The first thing we will do is switch over from the Elevation tab to the Reports and Tools tab. Once you have completed all of your elevations, you don't have to lay them out on the Room Layouts tab. We can go straight to Reports and Tools. The software has the ability to allow you as a dealer to see order information from Techline using data in the brown section shown here. The dealer can in turn use this same screen to sell to their customer. In the blue screen, you will see data that can be sent to your customer. In the middle, you'll see report filters. This will allow you to see all of the elevations that you have designed, but will allow you to select or deselect elevations as well for price purposes. To deselect, click once to select the elevation, and click again to deselect. Under Reports, we have Dealer Estimate Proposal, Customer Estimate Proposal, Field Check Drawings, and Room Layout Drawings. We will start with the Dealer Estimate Proposal. Click the button and the report will process. Notice we have a list price of $25,790.05. It relates to the list price shown in the brown tab over here. It will show the quoted date and the estimated ship date, and you'll also see the project notes will print. We can see at the bottom of the screen that there are 7 pages in our example. And we'll go to the next page by clicking on the buttons up here. We can click this arrow to go to the next page, or click this one to go to the very last page, or go back to the very first page. The second page will begin showing each elevation. You will see a pictorial of your elevation, and below are your line items. Each line will represent your ID number as your control number that relates to the pictorial. So here's the 1, and here's the number 1 on the screen right here. You will see a description of your model number and item number, as well as the options that were selected for each item. Please make sure that you have poles, colors, and locks selected before submitting the order. You will then see the unit price and the total net price, and that will sum at the bottom of the page for a total net price for this elevation. If you need to order multiple quantities of the same elevation, you may set the quantity when adding an elevation, and you can see the quantity right here. The reports will use this quantity to extend the totals. You will see the quantity at the top of the page. The total line will indicate to you a single elevation cost, and then extend it with a quantity for a total elevation cost. As we page through pages 3 and 4, you will see the mailroom. Your cabinet list will go to the next pages if it's a larger elevation. On page 5, the kitchen, you'll see the picture viewing the microwave, refrigerator, and dishwasher. This is for graphical demonstration only. Stevens will not supply these items. On the very last page of any proposal, there will be a summary page, including quantity, linear feet, and volume for each category as you see defined on the report. To return back to the software, click on the red X in the top right of the screen, and we'll return. As a dealer, Stevens will give you your freight dollars in installation if you have inquired. For this example, we will give $500 for freight, and $1,000 for installation. Now if you click on Dealer Estimate Proposal again, it will show the freight and the installation fees. Next is a customer estimate. If you need to add a markup, we can do so right here. And for our example, we are going to key in a 30%. If you have to add tax, insert it as a percentage here. And we're going to add 6% for our example. And you can see that it automatically calculates that for both. This is the freight to your customer. For our example, we will add $1,000. You can also key in the installation dollars, and we'll add $1,500. There are 3 additional lines that you as a dealer can customize your quote to your customer. Click Customer Estimate, and you will see the information added. And you can see all these right here. There's a third report called Field Check Drawings that won't contain any financial data, but it will show the walls and building item numbers. The fourth report is the room layout drawings, which also won't show dollars, but it will display any rooms defined on the room layout tab. These are the reports we currently have defined for you in the LTO Planner.